Good afternoon, my crafty friends. This is Debbie with TRN Market, and today I'm following Shannon with the art journal August. She did episode 2, choose your yuck color. So this is the little art journal that I'm working in, similar to what she's working in also. So yeah, so my yuck color is yellow, so I decided to go ahead and choose this yellow page to cover it up with yellow pieces that I have gathered. So go ahead, and this is just my little notes here. And so yeah, just to update you on the videos. Sorry, I was trying to do other videos, but yeah, trying to edit them is something else. just not skilled in that. So I did find this little sticker. It says Egypt on it. It has quite a bit of yellow. This is from a magazine. It's a couch, I believe. And this is going to be my focal point. This is a piece of cardstock from a food packaging. And another piece of, it's a chair from a magazine. And this is some of that same cardstock from that thrifted note. I guess it was a notepad, little journal pad. This is a strip from the cardstock, like the end strip. It's got some, this yellow here, I don't mind. I think it's more of these brighter yellows. That is my kind of my yuck color, you would call it. And then here's these. This is just from a paper pad. I thought maybe I'll use that. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it all. I just gathered some things up, but I just thought I just would select this page. There's 2 of those pages. They'll be covered up, so that's okay. Let's turn some light on over here in case if it's got any darkness in here. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, I was trying to, oh, this. You guys, I bought a box. I don't know if you can tell what this is. These are actually, it's washi tape. It's potato chips. And I bought it because it was like on clearance. And then I get it home and it's all food items. And I go, well, that's not going to be very appealing. I mean, I guess if you are like a foodie person, I'm not. But anyway, that's what that is. And I don't like them. When I got them home, I didn't like them. Really need to check that stuff out before I purchase it. Okay, let's see. What are we going to do here? We're just going to start making like rectangles and see how straight I can cut this. And squares to put on here. And then she also has a Facebook page. You guys have to check that out. I might try to copy it for you. That doesn't always go really well for me. Maybe I should just leave the, oh, you know what? I sewed the edge, so I think I am going to leave the edge showing. Kind of like that. I think when you do these collages, they're so fun because you just don't, you know, once you cut something up, you can't even really tell what it is. Like, look at this piece right here. Once I cut it, I mean, you don't even know that it's a sofa couch. Okay, I didn't want all those little pieces on there. I'm just laying them out to see where I want them. I get the pieces out of the way. Maybe I'll do another one of this. Maybe we could do a little bit more of a square piece. Oh, that went upside down. So I was just curious, are you guys following along? That'll kind of probably be more up on top. I kind of do like this. This is a, I think it's like a certification seal, like whole grain or something. So we'll put that over there. You can always trim these up too a little bit more. Now this is a little bit thicker, so it does bring that color in. Whew. And these are, I don't know if you guys see, they're tortilla chips. Oh, that's cute. Potato chips, tortilla chips. Okay. Let's see. Let's stack it up. It does give it texture because it's not the same thickness, the paper. Let's see here. Maybe some of this I'll kind of, this paper here. Shall we do the, now I do like sunflowers, so this I actually don't mind. So that's not like a yuck factor, I guess. But I really do like sunflowers. Let's see, is that straight enough? Maybe we'll have them hanging up here. My threads are all a little bit wonky. Kind of like them. I'll just leave that like that. Maybe we'll hang them upside down right there. Yeah, this is pretty quick. This is just a little collage. Maybe we should do another little piece here. I'll just do this little, kind of gives me lines to cut on this one. It's a little bit lighter. I'm gonna mix that up a little bit, kind of like that. Let's see here, now I've got this one. I'm gonna actually put these two on top, not, I don't want to cover any of that up. Let's see, we'll put maybe a strip there, and just another strip. And then we'll start cutting them. Let's see, so I can leave some space because it is gonna cover up. So let's just start gluing now. And glue stick, where'd you go? I did not check that. Oh, it just fell down. So hopefully you guys are enjoying these. Just let me know if you're enjoying them. And this is kind of like a yellow, but I like this. This is kind of vanilla more so than yellow. It's that bright yellow. That's why I don't have a lot of it, because I do not care for this. Okay, there we go. I'm going to try to, I want to keep my my little sewing that I did before I binded all these pages together. You know, I really don't even remember what I had. I don't think I had this piece. Oh, I had the little smaller one. But you know what? I think I kind of like the little bit of variation color on there. Let's just, like I said, just using the glue stick. If it seems like it's going to come up, I'll definitely use the liquid glue. But for the most part, I'm pretty sure this works. And then Shana did put some splatters of paint on, which I think I'll do at the end. And then that way I don't have to turn on that heat tool. Well, that trying to yeah, I didn't cut straight, so it's not lining up real well there. Okay, let's see here. I kind of want to put that on last, just so I don't cover things up. There's certain things I just don't want to cover up. Get some more of this bright yellow on. Since it is the yuck factor, I'm trying to make sure I'm getting things on there. But actually, when Shannon got done with hers, it was like, oh, wow. That looks really nice. Now let's get the sunflowers on. Maybe we'll go sideways with the sunflowers. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, you just change your mind as you go along. See how you like everything on there. There's no. You just put them on where you think you like them. Let's see here. Yeah, the center can stay because this is going to be the focal point. I think I'm going to round the edges. Yeah, so that's covered. See, I'm just using this paper, just this book page, so I don't get the other side all glued, which probably wouldn't even matter. I mean, it really wouldn't. It's kind of overlapping a little bit. Let's see here. Do we do the Egyptian? I think I like that one there. Just a little bit. I like flowers. Do you guys have flowers? Seems like all of my stuff has flowers. Or some type of foliage, or, you know, I really like the flowers. Let's see, I'm going to put this here. Try not to be too picky about everything. I do apologize, you guys, not doing a video every day. I did have, oh my gosh, just things seem to just happen. You're just never ready for it. You get a flat tire. And of all places, my grandson's birthday party at the park. Yeah, that wasn't very fun. I think I'll just get some color on here. So put that on there in the center. Learn to grow. Or learn and grow. Learn to grow. Learn and grow with the little yellow butterfly. So cute. Okay, I think I'm going to be done now. I think we'll just put this sticker on. Even though it's going to be covered up. Maybe go sideways with it. If I go sideways with it, let's see, where's the little vocal boy? Yeah. Oh yeah, I like it that way, and then that I can see it. But I am gonna glue it. These are old. I don't know how old they are, but I know they're old. They probably lost a little bit of their adhesive there. There we go. Simple. I like these little books. They go quick. They give you let's see, did I get maybe come down just a, I might need to put a little piece of something there. Let's see here. Here, I'm just gonna stick this here just in case. I think it'll be okay, but if I would decide to move it around, it probably wouldn't be. I'll just get that piece in there. There we go. Oh yeah, you guys, this is so fun. Like I said, just get a little 4x4 art journal book. Just, you know, get it together. If you're staple, or even go in there. If you don't have a sewing machine, you could staple those pages together. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and just, we're just going to use the glue stick today. Get this on here. Like I said, it should have been, it should be a really quick video today. Okay, maybe just off center just a little bit with overlapping. Just kind of give it a little bit of interest. Let's see here. Kind of rub that down a little bit. Okay, now the splatters, I'm thinking I'll cover this up so it doesn't, you know, just take over. Let's see here, let me just, don't mind a little bit, but I don't want to cover up the butterfly. And then we'll do some splats. And hopefully the paint don't go everywhere. I don't know, me and my splatters just seem to go everywhere. I like that, even though it is the yuck color, it looks good. Okay, let's see here. Do I have a big piece of paper? Try not to have but two. Oh, you know what? I'll use this. Let's see if I can get this in here. There we go. I didn't even use the chips, did I? Oh, well. So I'm trying to just to protect a little bit. Like I said, paint's been going everywhere on me. Okay. Let's see, I think I'll just go ahead and use the watercolor. It's pretty easy to use. Just get some black. Just get that water on the black. And let's see here. I think we'll just use a regular. I don't know if it's using the regular paintbrush is going so crazy. Oh, this might be a little difficult to get that. Let's put some in here, a little bowl. Oh, like I said, the splats always look so nice. It just finishes it off so beautifully, I think. And I like a lot. Do you guys like a lot? Definitely like a lot. So it kind of just brings it all together. I think she used yellow also. Or a gold or something, I don't know. There we go, wow. Okay, let me go ahead and move that out of the way so we can see that without smearing. And that way I don't, kind of did that at the end, so I don't need to dry it. Okay, you guys, let me know what you think about this. And here, let me get the paper out of the way. Probably get a better look. That paper out of the way. And there we go. I'm going to bring it up a little bit for you guys. Okay, you guys, thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. And you have an awesome day. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.